Honestly, I could wear my little bun I got back there and keep it moving. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you probably don't know who I am. This is Ellarie. Okay, I'm just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ellarie. If you're new, today's video I just want to show you all how I got this, how I did this Marley ponytail. You really can't tell me a thing right now. I feel like this is so cute, and I don't ever wear ponytails like this because I feel like I just don't have the head for it. But this came out really cute. Like, who is she? Who do I think I am? So cute. Anyways, it's so easy to do this ponytail. So easy. So let me just show you what I did. All right, guys. So if you want to know how I did this, this little design here on top of my head, I did a version of this in my last video. So I'll link that up above if you want to check out how I did this. It's really easy as well. But I have my hair in a bun back here. To sleek it down, I use the green Eco Styler gel. I have my Marley hair. This is like 15 or 16 strands of Marley hair. Obviously, you can use as much or as little as you want. Obviously, you don't want it to look too thin. You don't want your ponytail to be thirsty, okay? So what I did was I took a scrunchie. I really don't want to unravel it because you know how Marley hair is. Like, it gets snappy and you just can't really work with it. But you know when you get the hair and it comes like this and it has that rubber band, all I did was cut that rubber band off and then I wrapped a scrunchie around the middle of the hair. Let me see if I can show it to you. Like, that's just a scrunchie in the middle of the hair. And I left enough room out of the scrunchie for me to put it on my ponytail. So let me do that. Do it from this side. Okay, so just taking that loop that I made on my ponytail like this. See? So now I have one half on this side and then the other half is on this side of my hair like this. So you want to make sure you try to cover up that ball like that. And then I take two strands from this side and I'm going to wrap that around. As you're wrapping, you want to move down. You don't want to just stay in the same spot. See, I'm wrapping. And then once I get to the end, I grab another piece. I wrap some more. So easy, right? And once I get under here, I just tuck that piece under there, and then you're going to want to secure that piece that you tucked underneath the scrunchie with a bobby pin. And that's it. She is done. So easy, right? She is finished. I'm going to take it one step further and do like the bubble type of ponytail. So be right back. Okay, so I got a bunch of regular black rubber bands. These right here. And I'm going to use those to just make this ponytail just a tad bit extra, okay? So you're going to want to start where your bun is, so that we can make sure that that is not going to sneak out. Boom. That's it. You just take the rubber band and you put one on each section of the hair until you get all the way down to the end. And that's it. She's done. The whole beauty of this hairstyle is that it is easy and it's quick. So yeah, that's it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If there is a hairstyle that you have in mind that you would like to see me try on my channel, comment down below. Also comment down below if you've tried this hairstyle, if you have any tips and tricks to maybe make it neater, because this is my first time doing a Marley ponytail, so I think I did okay for my first time. But if you have any tips for me, or if you've ever tried a Marley ponytail, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
Sing like no one said.